Hey, hi. Today we're going to review an app called Cards Mobile Wallet, and you're going to see how it works, how the app looks, and the features, so that you can get to know how this app really works. Now, I want you to imagine this app is like your physical. Okay, imagine your physical wallet, the one with all your credit cards, the loyalty cards and membership cards. Now imagine if your phone could be your wallet. Okay, all those cards in one place. Now this is what this app is. Okay, that is basically what the cards app does. This app, you can take a picture of all your cards and save them inside the app on your phone. We're going to really look at how this app looks. Okay. Instead of carrying a bulky wallet, you just need your phone. When you go to a store, you can use the app to show your digital loyalty card or even pay for things with a simple tap. Okay, simple tap. Okay, just like using a real credit card, it's a way to keep all your information cards, all your important cards in one place on your phone. Okay, it's kind of cool how this app works. Now, some people like confused, like, okay, some people think when you take photos of these cards in your phone, okay, now when you go to pay something, can they scan do they scan the picture on your phone? How does it, how does the whole thing work? Okay, now let me try to explain that. Now, when you take the pictures, by the way, the app looks like this. Okay, the app looks like this. And some people, I've seen them on Play Store. I've seen them on Play Store complaining like, hey, the app actually forces you to sign up for the premium. But actually, for me, when I was signing for it, there's a crossing button. If you don't want to sign up, you can cross so that you can stay with the free version. Okay. The app has a version and a premium version. The premium version goes for like, I feel like $60 a month. Yes, but it's kind of worth it. Okay, we're going to see why you may have to pay. That's around like $720, I think, a year. Okay, but I have to say, if you're kind of a person with not many cards, this app isn't for you. If you have like one or two cards, I think you may not really need this card. Okay, the card does what it says. Okay, the card does what it says, and if you're still with a free version, you have to get used to the unskippable ads that will appear every 2 or 3 taps, whenever, something like that. But, they have to make money, so I really understand. Adding cards, I think, takes me around like 10 minutes average when you're adding in a card. Now, let me answer one of the biggest questions most people have is when you use this app within the app, you can like secure your card, set fingerprint and pin code access, and back on the card. This one where the most people actually use the card is where you kind of click and add cards. And when you're adding a card, you can actually just scan your card and then you capture it. You take a photo of your card. Um, the cards can be arranged as loyalty cards, payment cards, access cards, identity cards, transport cards, other cards. So it helps you to actually categorize them. Okay. Now let me answer the big question. Most people think is like when you take a photo of your card, how does the payment go? Like, okay, wait, when you want to pay, do people just scan this photo on your phone? How does the whole process goes? Okay. Now I have to say that the answer is no. The picture on the card on your phone cannot be scanned by regular card scanner. Okay. When you take the picture of your ATM card and you save in this app, it cannot be scanned by regular card scanner as we see, scanning. The picture is just a visual to help you remember which card is which. The real magic happens with a special technology inside your phone called NFC. That is the near field communication, or with QR codes. Okay, here's a simple way to think about it. Okay, when you when you tap your phone, when you tap your phone on a payment machine, Your phone sends a secret digital signal with your card information. It's like a secret handshake between your phone and a payment machine. The picture on your screen is not used for payment. Instead, the app keeps a special secure digital version of your card info that is used for the tap. Okay, so whatever you're going to use, it has to have a tap functionality. So this is much easier than just scanning a picture because the information is encrypted and changes with every transaction. So this app is actually secure. So while the picture makes it feel like you're using your real card, the actual payment is done through a very secure, invisible signal. So that's how actually this app works. So the cards that you actually save on the app, they're actually, when you're paying, you don't actually, use that picture. It's really done. It's really done through that technology that, as I've kind of described. Okay. So if you're kind of a person who has so many cards, I believe this app can really help you out. Let me know what you think about this app. If you have any questions, let me know. If you're interested in app reviews like this, you can subscribe on my YouTube channel. And I'll see you in the next video, okay? I really appreciate your like and the subscription. And